Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 1. How are you all doing? Good. That's really great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your computing class. In today's class, we will be learning how to make a list of something on Excel sheet or spreadsheet, right? So, in our last two classes, we have learned what a spreadsheet is, how to name it, what are cells in it, what are labels in it, and how to add something in a cell or how to add labels in a cell, right? So, we have done this all so far. Now, in today's class, we will first quickly revise all those things and then we will make a list of something, okay? So, in order to do that, I'm going to share the screen with you and then you will be following me, okay? Okay, now this screen I have shared over here in the search area. You will write Excel, Excel, okay? Now see on the top, this has appeared in the list. When I'll click on it, it will open this for me. Now we will open the last file that we saved with the name toys. So you will search here TOYS toys, right? Now this has been saved for me, so it has appeared in the list. And when I'll click on it, it has opened up for me the file which I saved previously by the name toys. All of you first do this up till now. The steps are same. First you have to go in the search area. Over there you are supposed to search Excel. When a bar will open, from there you will select the top one, which would be Excel. Then a new document box will be open for you. From there you will select, you will search the file by the name toys and then you have to open it. When all of you are done up till now, let me know. Yes, all of you are working. Okay, good. Done. Okay, now what we will be doing in today's class, we are supposed to make a list of toys. So in this column, you will write the names of toys that we have, and in the column above that, you will be writing how many numbers do you have of that. Okay, so the first, let's say I write cars. Okay, the next I write dolls. The next I write boxes. The next I write uh what types of, okay, helicopters, let's say. What is next? What types of toys do you have? Tell me the list, please. Okay. You have what? Okay, okay. Motorbikes. What else? You're supposed to make a list of toys, all the toys that you have, okay? What else do you have? Okay, girls have dollhouse, doll houses, a dollhouse, okay? Yes. What else? Okay, teddy bears. Yes. What next? Okay, now let's write the numbers in front of them. How many cars do you have? Let's say I have 5 cars, so I'll be writing 5 over here, okay? In the next, how many dolls do I have? So I'll be writing 4 over here. In the next, I'll be writing how many boxes? So let's say I have 15 boxes. In the helicopters, I have only 2 helicopters. In the motorbikes, I have 4 motorbikes. I have only one dollhouse and I have 5 teddy bears. Okay. Now let's give the label or title to this as well. We will be writing numbers over here. Now in the first one, I have given the title, which is that what things we are talking about, and the next we have write their numbers. Okay, so first, how many cars do we have? 5 cars. How many dolls? 4. Boxes? 15. Now in this manner, like we have created a list of all the toys that you have, we can make a list of everything, right? Like we have make a list. Remember I told you that this spreadsheet is being used in different types of offices and different types of institutions to make different lists, right? In schools they are used to make result cards, they are used in account office to keep the data of the teachers. Similarly, they are also used in different offices to keep the data of their employees. So spreadsheet can be used for multiple purposes for keeping the data. Got it? And we, like we have make a list, we can make lists of everything whatever you want to. Got it? Okay. Now, what is your class activity? You are supposed to make a similar list like I have created for toys, and then save it by a particular name for you. Like we have saved the previous one by toys, you can give it a name, list of toys, okay, and then save it. Inshallah, in tomorrow's class, when we will be doing the next work, we will working on the same file. And also, whatever the work we do on daily basis, whether we need that file for later or not, you are supposed to save it, because this will revise on daily basis that how to save files. Okay, so save, always save the files. And do remember the position in your laptop or in your device where you saved that file. If you don't remember, it's still not an issue. We can just simply search it and it will open the particular file for us. Okay, so hurry up, make a list and let me know if you have any confusion in it. Yes, so everybody is working. Is there any confusion in opening up the file? No? Okay, great. Is there any confusion in putting the elements, making a list? Okay, great. All of you are done? Okay, excellent. So that was all for today. Inshallah, in tomorrow's class, we will be doing some related work on the spreadsheet. Do practice it at your home as well, because we are about to end our syllabus, and then inshallah we will start the revision. So, and your final assessment is also very near. So you are supposed to prepare yourself for that. If you have any confusion at any topic, you can let me know. So practice it. If you find anything difficult, we can practice it together again as well. Okay. So do make a list. What is your home assignment? You are supposed to make a list of parts of computer. Okay. Parts of computer, and how many do you have at your, so on one side you will write the names of parts of computer, and on the other you will write their number. Got it? So share this video with others because it's free learning. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.